Hey guys, Handy Matt here, and I've been having some problems with my hot water heater. It's an A.O. Smith unit. The plumber's been out 4 times now. Got on the phone with tech support. He did a whole bunch of stupid human tricks. They sent out a whole new valve control body deal. Sent a different plumber out today to fix it. He was here this afternoon before I got home, I guess about 2 o'clock. By the time I got home at 5, pilot light's out again. Exactly the same thing it's been doing. So, to say the least, I'm a little frustrated. Can't call the emergency line and have them send a plumber back out because according to them, plumber already fixed it. He didn't fix it. These guys have been running around like chickens with their heads cut off trying to, you know, jerry-rig this and jerry-rig that and baling wire and duct tape. Now, I rent my house, so I generally don't fix much around here. I don't have the contract to fix it, but at this point I'm pretty frustrated. I jumped on the Great and Wise interweb, did about 5 minutes worth of research, came across this DIY forum talking about A.O. Smith water heaters and other water heaters with these Honeywell gas control valves. And guy says that he went down to Home Depot, grabbed a $12 thermocouple, replaced it, and sure as the world it worked. Well, the post immediately following that was a representative from A.O. Smith letting him know that he has just bypassed the safety feature of his water heater and he is actively pumping CO2 into his house. The water heater is acting up because it is starved for oxygen and the combustion chamber is overheating. Now, I found this information in about 5 minutes. Representative says if you look under the water heater, not the little black screen that runs around the base, but actually under the water heater on the bottom of the combustion chamber, you will find, well, according to him and the model they were looking at, it's a cordite disc. But just for giggles, mine's a little newer than that, but I figured what can it hurt to, you know, pull it open, you know, pull that little screen out of the way, take a look under there, and make sure everything's clean. Let's take a look and see what I found, shall we? Because I got me this nifty little pipe here. And my trusty shop vac right there. Should allow us to fix this issue. Now, because I'm filming this with a GoPro, I have to use a flashlight and hope for the best. Hope we can get a good picture of what's going on in there, because I'm going to be stuffing you in a really tiny place. Ready? Let's go. Okay, you can see, oh, I can take that away, we don't need that yet. The little lights, no blinky blinky, we got nothing. So let's go ahead and turn this guy all the way to off, because I do want to operate at least mildly safely. Let's see, can we get under there? I think we can. You guys see that? Let's see here, there we go. Yeah, a little disc all... looks more like an air filter. It doesn't really look like a serviceable air filter. If you look in there really good and close, man, GoPro, seriously, you got to fix the screen thing so we can see what we're doing. There we go. Y'all see that dirt? Can I zoom while I'm... yeah. That little guy right there sure as hell looks like it's clogged full of crap. So we're going to take our nifty little copper pipe of awesomeness and get underneath there. I'm just going to use my super awesome hand clamps on the end of this guy, get a little suction, see if we can't get it cleaned out. So we're going to give that a try, and if it works, thank you, random A.O. Smith representative posting on the DIY board, because having my family take gold showers, constantly out here relighting the water heater, calling the maintenance company. I mean, this has been going on for a month and a half. Their opinion is that the water heater is under warranty, so blah, blah, blah. Even the tech support people at A.O. Smith talking directly to the qualified licensed plumber, blah, blah, blah. Their best guess was to mail parts out and have them replaced. This whole giant unit was replaced today. Water heater was flushed out today. And I still have no pilot. Yeah. So let's go ahead, get it sucked out, and then we'll see if it stays lit. All right, let's do this. All right. Now forgive me, I'm not gonna shine you down there while I'm doing this vacuuming. Incoming noise. I'm gonna go get a longer piece of pipe. See if we can get all the way back. And to be honest with you, it doesn't take a whole lot of dirt to plug them little louvers up. Alright, so for all of there, everything's clean, everything's good, etc, etc, etc. I just pulled the tag from a shark bite something, 3/4 by 3/4 FIP 18-inch. That's been there since the day that they installed this thing. It's been stuck on one of the vents in the back. I got this guy off, and we'll go ahead and give it a good clean and shake, put it back. Oh, bless me. Finish vacuuming and sucking all the dirt out of it. And then we'll see, this thing will stay lit. Rumor has it that this just might fix the problem. All the blah, 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 and the tripping sensor and the pilot light going out, and it's all because dirt that's fine enough to get in this gets underneath there and plugs that little grate, overheats the chamber, and then trips the switch. Everybody says don't turn it up, don't turn it past hot. Well, according to that A.O. Smith representative, the problem isn't that you can't take it over hot. The problem is that when you do, you're starving the system for air. Well, let's keep going. Here at Handy Mats, we always believe in doing a thorough repair, so lots more vacuuming. Here we go. Okay, we've finished well and thoroughly vacuuming the system. God, let's see if we can get another real good look under there. You can see through there. You can actually see through the vents from the little hole. Sorry, that's not a real clear picture. Let's see if we can get a good shot from the bottom. Take us down. It's looking a lot cleaner. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's put this screen back on. See what happens. Wish us luck. All right. Stay. Really should have busted out the tripod for this. Bear hug the water heater. This guy around. Tuck it in place. Come on. Don't be an ass. Thank you. Mental note, yes, I talk to projects, I talk to inanimate objects. I feel communication is important in all relationships. Press that, that retrips, sets that. Everything's looking good, everybody's in place, safety devices. And turn that off. Hold down the pilot light switch. Oh, instant light, I like that. Took me about 15 tries earlier. There we go. Let's get a good shot of the inside of that. We are burning. Y'all have never looked at a burner on the underside of a water heater. Kind of looks like the flames of hell. But those flames are important because I don't like cold showers. Alrighty, I did not make a video in 48 hours to find out if my hot water heater was still kicking. Life got busy. Hot water kept flowing. So I didn't really think too much of it. However, at this point it has been 11 days. And after 11 days, here's our nifty little flashing light. Everything is still bumping along just the way it should. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you stop the pilot light going out consistently on these A.O. Smith water heaters with the Honeywell control valve and the sealed flame chamber. So this is the tool that I used. It's just a piece of 1/2-inch copper pipe, 1/2-inch copper 90. Held it to the end of the shop vac over there, corner, looking all sad. Specialty tool. Who'd have thought? We had 5 trips by professional plumbers. Phone calls to the manufacturer, all kinds of hoopla, replacement parts. None of that crap fixed it. Clean the air inlet. Get enough oxygen into that sealed chamber. It's just that easy.